Hey, what's up, everybody? Cledus T. Judd down at Bill Cole Nissan right here. I got my man Mike. Mike, what's happening, buddy?
Hey, what's going on?
Now listen, you want to talk about a sharp ride right here. This Rogue is sweet, and Mike's here to tell us all about it. So let's just say, Mike, I'm coming in, want to buy this bad boy. Give me some of the great features.
All right, Cledus, first thing I want to talk about, if you follow me over here to the front of the vehicle,
Yep.
we do have our safety auto collision camera built into the Rogue here.
Yep.
Goes up to 2 vehicle lengths. Nissan's actually the only brand that offers a camera that goes up to 2 vehicle lengths
Oh,
as
wow.
of right now.
That's cool.
Another good thing to touch base on this all-wheel drive SUV is the gas mileage. 37 miles to the gallon on highway.
You're kidding.
No, I'm not.
As high as gas is, people, that's a big selling point right there.
Well, if you'll follow me around here to the side, I
Yes,
want to show you
sir.
another thing is, you got 90 degrees rear doors, which is one of the only SUVs on the market that offer that. So if you got to get anything in and out of the vehicle, you have tons of space, a lot more room to operate.
Man, you know what he's saying is, a big boy like me, he's saying I got plenty of room to get in there. That's exactly what he's saying. So anything else you want to give me before we get out of here? Man, I really like the control panel up there, whatever that is on the dash. I mean, you have to have a college degree to work that thing.
No, you don't. It's actually super simple and easy to operate. And I mean, it's been upgraded the last few years on this new redesign interior and exterior.
Oh, that's cool.
So tons of new features, bells and whistles, everything you could want out of this vehicle.
Man, what kind of price range are we talking? You know, just a guesstimate, what you think?
I'd say anywhere in the mid-30s.
You don't get a better deal than that nowhere around this area, I promise you. So come on down. Bill Cole Nissan. Mike, thank you so much, pal.
No problem at all.
You got it. See you guys.